started my Excel sheet from B1. You can see here the name of the cell from which we have started. But if I want to move this cell to C3, like I want our data to start from C3, मुझे चाहिए कि मेरा data C3 से start हो, तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? First, I'll select all my data like this and I'll go to the end. You can see the 4 rows arrow. You will hold the left cursor and will move it to C3. You can see my whole data has been moved. This is the first way. Like this you can drag and move it here. You can see the 4 direction arrow. You can move it here. You can move it like now D2, E1, C4, B1, back to our original place. This is the one way through which you can move your data. Now we will see how we can copy our data. We'll like that select the whole data. From my keyboard I'll use the shortcut Control C. I'll press the Control and then press the button C. And you can see the moving lines. My data is copied. Now if I want to paste it in any other cell like D2, I'll click on D2 and I'll press Control V. Control V is used to paste the data. See, I used copy, so my text is copied and remaining is kept there. If I had used, I'll put Control Z to undo my data. I deselect and now I'll select the data. If I had done Control X, my whole data will be cutted and will be pasted in D2 wherever I want. Like this. If you want to copy it to any other sheet, like you want to copy the data to same Excel but in some other sheet, how you will do? I'll first come to our place, deselect. See, I have opened the 2 sheets. I am working on sheet 1, to sheet 2 and sheet 3 are still there. So sheet 1. I'll select my data. If I want to copy, I'll just Control C, move to next sheet, Control V. It is to its original settings. There I have increased the volume like this. You can see the whole data is exactly copied. So we learned 2 things: how to move a data and how to copy a data. The next thing we are going to learn in this video is to insert a row. How can I insert a row in my data? मान लो कि मुझे चाहिए कि मैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से पहले एक और बिल ऐड करना चाहती हूँ, तो मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ? I'll select this row and then I'll go to the home tab. In the group of cells there is an option insert. You can see insert cell, insert sheet row. I want to insert a row, then insert sheet row. Now I can write any other bill here, card. If I want to insert a column, like before total, I want to add the column of May. I'll select the total, I'll go to insert and insert sheet column, and here a column is inserted for the month of May and I can enter my data. Something I'll enter. See, my total is getting changed. Now what if I have added an extra data or extra row or column in my Excel sheet? Now what should I do? I'll delete that complete row and column. See, I want to delete the column of May. I'll select that column, whichever I want to delete. I'll go on a delete option and delete sheet column. Same like that, if I want to delete the row that includes the bill of car, I'll select that row, will click on delete, and that is delete sheet. Row or column can be inserted and deleted as well. So in this video we learnt about 4 things, that is moving and copying data and inserting and deleting a rows. Hope you all liked the video. I'm Diksha. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the new video.